As journalists, we aim to uncover truths, inform the public, and hold powerful figures accountable. But with this responsibility comes the need to navigate the legal risks tied to publishing information. Today's lecture will focus on media law and the legal risks journalists face. By the end of this lecture, you will understand the core legal principles governing journalism. Learn about the most common legal risks, including defamation, privacy violations, and copyright issues. Discover strategies to protect yourself and your organization from legal challenges. The foundations of media law. Media law governs the legal rights and responsibilities of journalists. While it varies by country, certain principles are common. Freedom of the press. Most democracies uphold the right to report freely, but this freedom comes with limits, such as libel or national security concerns. Example: the First Amendment in the U.S. guarantees press freedom, but journalists cannot publish false information that harms a person's reputation. Accountability. Journalists must ensure their reporting is accurate and fair to avoid legal repercussions. Key legal risks in journalism. Defamation. Defamation occurs when false information damages a person's reputation. Libel. Defamation in written or broadcast form. Slander. Defamation in spoken form. Example: if a news outlet falsely accuses someone of committing a crime, it could be sued for libel. How to avoid it. Verify all facts before publishing. Use reliable sources. Include disclaimers when reporting on ongoing investigations. Privacy violations. Journalists must respect individuals' rights to privacy. Publishing private information without consent can lead to legal action. Example: publishing medical records without permission violates privacy laws. How to avoid it. Obtain consent for sensitive information. Weigh the public interest against the individual's right to privacy. Copyright infringement. Using copyrighted material, photos, videos, music, without permission can result in legal claims. How to avoid it. Use public domain or Creative Commons materials. Get written permission to use copyrighted works. Contempt of court. Publishing information that interferes with an ongoing legal case can lead to penalties. Example: reporting sensitive details during a trial that could influence the jury. How to avoid it. Be aware of court-imposed reporting restrictions. Consult legal experts when covering judicial proceedings. National security risks. Publishing classified information can lead to government action. Example: the Pentagon Papers revealed classified U.S. military documents, sparking a legal battle over press freedom and national security. Protecting yourself from legal risks. Fact-checking and source verification. Cross-check facts with multiple reliable sources to ensure accuracy. Use legal counsel. Work with a legal team to review sensitive stories before publication. Know the law. Familiarize yourself with local media laws, including defamation, copyright, and privacy regulations. Maintain clear documentation. Keep records of interviews, permissions, and research to defend your reporting if challenged. Ethical practices to reduce legal risks. While laws set the minimum standard, ethical journalism goes beyond legal requirements. Avoid sensationalism or exaggeration. Provide a balanced view of controversial issues. Respect the dignity of all individuals, even in critical reporting.